Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a practice test of prepositions of time and place and on and at. Before getting started the quiz, let's clarify something. We have to know the usage of each and every one of these prepositions. For preposition in, it's used for longer period longer period of time, for larger places, and also for state and conditions. And preposition on is used for days, day and date, for surfaces, and also for transportation vehicle vehicles. Of course, those kind of vehicles that we can walk and stand inside. And also it can be used for devices and let's continue with at is used for exact point of time or exact time, we use it for specific points or locations, and is also used for events. These are all the usage of each and every one of them. There may be some exceptions, but generally these are the usage of each and every one of the preposition we are using for time and places mostly. So let's begin with the quiz. The first question: I wake up 6 a.m. So which one is going to be used in this sentence on the blank? Let's check. This for longer period of time, for exact period of time, or for exact time we have at. So at the very first one we use at 6 a.m. The second one, she was born 2002. So which one is used in here? Let's check. So we used n for 2002 because it's a longer period of time. And the third one, the book, is because the table has a surface and it is on the surface of the table, so we use on for the surfaces as we mentioned here. The fourth one, yeah, we live in. So for place, cobblers a city. For city, which is a larger area, we use a larger place, we use n. The fifth one, he goes to school Monday. So for Monday we used on, because for days and dates we use on. The sixth one, I will see you night, we use at because it points out the exact time during 24 hours of a day. So the seventh, The keys are my bag. Which one is used here? So here the keys are inside something. When we are using the preposition to point out that something is inside something else, we use in. Number 8, the picture is the wall. So which one is you here? A wall has a surface. So for surface, we use preposition on. Number 9, they arrive at the airport. The airport is a exact location, exact place or exact point, we can say. So for this one, we use preposition at, because for a specific point or location, we used preposition at. Number 10, my birthday is July. July is a month and a longer period of time, so we use in for July. Number 11, he is home now. Home here is a specific point or location, so we use at for this one. Number 12, the class is taught, is actually the clock and exact time. So for the exact time, we use what? We use at. Number 13, she works an office. Office is also, we can count it as a larger place. So for larger period of time, for larger places, we use in. Number 14, the cat is the box. So it actually shows that the cat is inside something. For pointing out that something is inside something else, we use in. Number 15, we met a party. Which one is used here? Party is a special event, and for event we are using what? We are using preposition at. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our videos, so like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.